Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make another host on Microsoft Teams. Now if you have an organization account, it's much easier. If you don't, then what you do on the left hand panel, you click on calendar. You can go ahead and schedule a meeting. So let's click on a new meeting. Okay, you can have any title. Let's just do test. And we'll make this one 10 p.m. Now, what I want you to do here is enter the email of the person you're inviting. And right here, you can choose these settings as well. So who can bypass the lobby? So what you do to make another person a host, you can just go ahead and choose this to only people who are invited. So everyone else will need to be given permissions. Okay. Or we can do here, who can present, you make it only me, and then you give the other people permissions while you are in the meeting. So you can click here on send. The meeting will be created. And then you can come here on your calendar as well. If you want, you can change this at a later time. You just click on it, click on edit, and here you'll see meeting options. So click on meeting options, and then you can adjust the settings accordingly. So you can bypass the lobby. Let's say only people are invited in. Present, let's make it everyone, right? Let's just go ahead and save that. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.